24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publisher.
Big and small. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman Publishers. Our books are based on CPA method, concrete, pictorial and abstract. And the students will learn about mathematical concept by using their cognitive skills. Let's start with the concept of big and small. Say Assalamu alaikum or good morning to the children. Encourage them to greet you back. Introduce yourself to them. Then ask them to introduce themselves. If some children are shy and hesitant to speak, the teacher is supposed to introduce them to the whole class. Learning should be spontaneous and fun. Do not push the children. Learning objectives. To enable the students to compare objects based on their size. To enable them to differentiate between big and small. Inform the children that they will be learning about big and small objects and will identify them. Display real objects from the class and use the flashcards of big and small objects. Tell the students that we can identify big and small objects by comparing their sizes. Display a big book and a small book and ask the students to identify a big book and small book by comparing their sizes. Draw a big and a small circle on the writing board. Ask the children to identify big and small circle. Write big circle and small circle under the circles respectively. Make a box of assorted items containing things in two sizes. For example, a big rock and a small rock, a long pencil and a short pencil, a big jar and a small jar. Get 2 empty cartons, one big and one small, and ask the children to help you sort the big and the small items into them. Try and use the terms big and small in daily life as much as you can, even in the normal conversation with the students. Show them examples of big and small as you go about your lesson. Stacking and sorting toys are a great way to teach class the difference between big and small. You can get bowls or rings which demonstrate the difference. You can do the same with regular household items. Give your class the plastic bowls or straws or pencils of varying sizes. Play a game with the children. All the children love playing with balls and blocks. A fun game to teach your child the concept of big and small is to mix the balls or the blocks of different sizes and ask him or her to sort the big from the small. This hands-on activity will help them to nourish their gross motor skills. Ask them to open their textbooks and take the big objects. Reinforcement worksheet of big and small objects can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.